Hey, welcome back to another YouTube video. I am the iTunes fanboy, and today I'm going to be unboxing this iOS 6 iPhone 5 that I got for $90. So I'll show you a picture of the listing right now. Or can't already tell I bought it off of Apple Gecko's eBay because he was selling it there. And deals for iOS 6 iPhone 5s like $9, for example, only seem to come around like once per year, and every other year I've skipped. And so you might be wondering why I'm getting my third iPhone 5 when I have two iPhone 5s already. Well, the reason this one runs iOS 7.0.2 and this one runs iOS 8.4.1. And why can't I just use Google or whatever, like I said in my tutorial? Well, this iPhone 5 right here can't be jailbroken because Evasion 7 is down. Or no, in this 5, I can't jailbreak because it's iCloud bypass to do that, and I absolutely hate dealing with Nightshade. And so that's why when I saw this very rare deal, I thought I just had to take it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. And in case you're wondering why I'm unboxing something when there's no Apple box or anything, it's just so that way in case I wind up getting scammed, I'm safe. So because I have videotape of it opening. There's nothing else in the box, so let's just set that down and let's get the actual phone open. Oh, it's a little toasty. Let's boot it up and see if this is really running. Oh, yes, this is really running iOS 6. Oh, man, this is going to be and this says to be fully functional, too. Has some wear and tear, but that doesn't matter. It runs iOS 6. Oh, wow, this is nice. So first up, let's check to verify this is, in fact, this is running 6.1.4 and is 16 gigabytes as stated listing. Now let's go ahead and turn on battery percentage because that's something that I really like knowing. Okay, and the brightness is too high, so I need to go ahead and turn that down a little bit. There we go. And then Nike Plus iPod I prefer to have on, just because it's another app on the home screen. And yeah, this is pretty cool. So let's check out the basic functions such as the camera. Cancel, no, I do not want my location, so back camera looks good. Ooh. Front camera does not look so good, but oh shoot, I screwed the camera. Okay, never mind. Wait a second. Okay, never mind, it just has to load, and then I can swap it, okay. Well, I think we know for sure that the front camera is broken. Now let's test out the speakers. Probably won't be returning this anyways, just because. Yep, speakers work. Okay, so the front camera not working is kind of an annoyance, but at the same time, probably it'll be quite a while before I get around to fixing it, and even so, front camera works on my other two iPhone 5s, so that's not important. But what is important is that I'm holding an iPhone 5 and running iOS 6 in my own hands right now, and and my dog is creating a bed, in case you hear wondering why that's in the background. So as always, thank you all for watching this video, and my social media will be linked down below in the description. And as always, peace out.